been using Jaltest for several years now. Honestly, it's a bit of a lifesaver sometimes. Reducing downtime, getting the vehicle back out the door is one of the highest priorities for us especially. And as soon as you can get the vehicle out the door, the better. Without Jaltest, it would be a touch longer, let's say. Quite a diverse coach fleet, ranging from 8-seat Tornados to 53 70-seat Blackstones. Yeah, but the Jaltest works with every single vehicle we've got incredibly well. You can get the part numbers and everything straight from the Jaltest system now.
So you don't need to rely on the dealers, meaning you can save...
Exactly that, no, you can save money.
Yeah.